Welcome to an honest and thorough review of Tickmill, the online broker that many traders around the world rely on. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this video will provide you with a detailed breakdown of everything you need to know about Tickmill. Let's get right into the details and find out if this broker is the right fit for you. Tickmill is known for its competitive spreads, low fees, and reliable services in the forex trading industry. The platform offers three main types of accounts: Pro, Classic, and VIP. Each of these accounts caters to different levels of trading experience and investment sizes, making it flexible for all types of traders. One of the major advantages of Tickmill is its zero-commission trading on major forex pairs when using the Pro account. But, as with any broker, there are some drawbacks to consider, such as limited non-forex trading options and inactivity fees. The platform also provides a range of tools and features, such as MT4 and MT5, which are two of the most popular trading platforms in the world. With Tickmill, traders gain access to a variety of trading tools, technical indicators, and expert advisors, YAs, for automated trading. However, it is important to weigh the overall cost of these features, especially for novice traders who may find some of the advanced features overwhelming. Despite this, Tickmill's educational resources can help beginners build up their knowledge base, offering webinars, trading guides, and market insights to enhance your trading strategies. Are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXPT offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXPT, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. Back to Tickmill. Their customer support is another notable feature, offering multilingual assistance through email, live chat, and phone. They ensure that your questions and concerns are addressed promptly. Their tight spreads and fast execution speeds also make them a highly attractive option for day traders and scalpers looking to make quick trades. Additionally, Tickmill's focus on keeping trading costs low helps you keep more of your profits. While Tickmill excels in many areas, it's important to be aware of some of the disadvantages as well. The range of assets outside of Forex is somewhat limited compared to other brokers, and some users have noted that the inactivity fees can add up if you're not regularly trading. To sum up, Tickmill is a solid choice for traders who are primarily focused on Forex and are looking for low spreads and commission-free trading. Whether you are a beginner exploring Forex trading or an experienced trader seeking fast execution, Tickmill is worth considering. If you want to take advantage of successful traders' strategies, now is the perfect time to start copying trades with Tickmill. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the world of trading.